Hi everyone, so this year, well, this week even, I apologise, this week we're going to be doing Valentine's Day. I didn't want to do the kind of normal thing to do. I did want it to be a little bit different, but obviously we've got to have hearts. So we will be doing this. I've done it in yellow because yellow is my favourite colour, and we've got a missing jigsaw out here and it says, "You're my missing piece." So it is a little bit different. You can do a matching card as well to go with it. So that's what we're going to be doing this week. You're going to need some tissue. I've cut the heart out with a construction board. So I use 2 sheets. I would say it's better to have 3. A little bit of matching ribbon to tie the heart up with. And I done the flower in the middle, I done it out of flower foam, and then some material for like a bow in the middle. This piece. Sorry, I'm trying to get it to show you. See this piece? I didn't want to do like a big bow ribbon, so I used some material I had. And yeah, that's about it, I think. Yeah, so let's get started. So this is where I'm starting. I've already cut out a heart. I've done it in construction board with, I've used 2 sheets. I think it might be better to use 3. Now I've cut a jigsaw piece out, and that's going to go on there like that, so it kind of covers it. And then I've got the words, "You are my," so you are my missing piece. And the holes are to put some ribbon for hanging it. And then what I've done is I've got loads of tissue, and I've used one of the dies, you know, where you get all different shapes. It's like a flower shape. Let me get one and show you. I've used obviously smaller than that, but it's that kind of shape. And I've cut out just 3 different sides of the yellow, and then a really small one of the white that I can poke in between. This I cut out, I've done a design by myself on Scan and Cut that is just loads of hearts with little holes in the middle of them, and then I've cut blocks off just so that it's a little bit of it here and there. Now what we're doing is sticking the tissue circles onto the board like flowers kind of. And the way I've been doing that, I've been getting the glue, the bookbinding glue, and just adding bit by bit. And then I've been getting a pokey tool, wrapping it round and just sticking it, can you see? Sticking it like that. Get another piece. And you want to stick them quite close together so that they are staying upwards. That one is going to be a bit of a problem. I think I need a little one there. There it is. Just to keep that one up, we'll put a little one there. And then I'm just going to put one of them ones, and you just do it all over the place. Like I said, I wanted it to be a little different, so that's why I added the puzzle piece. I don't want to do tissue all over it, so I'm just going to do a little bit here, a little bit down here, and a little bit around the words up there, just so there's bits rather than the whole thing covered. The reason I chose yellow is because it's my favourite colour flower. You obviously go with whatever colour you like. I like to be a little bit different and not go with the traditional red and pink. So this is what I decided. So don't do too much glue at a time, because obviously it'll dry. And just keep adding the glue as you go round. Just so. I didn't do many big pieces because I don't want it too big. So what I'm trying to do is put all the big pieces around the outside edge. I think that's the last big piece actually. So now I'm on to this one, which I've done a lot more of because that seemed like more the nice size. You haven't got to be too perfect with tissue, that's the thing, isn't it? You can just stick it. And that's all you're going to do is keep going around wherever you want to put it. You might just want to go around the edge, I don't know. It's, you know, your choice. The thing I like about this is that you can also, like I said before, you can do it on a smaller scale and make a card to go with the heart. I'll show you, sort of. So there, you just keep going. So I'll carry on with that because you don't want to see me going around the whole thing. I'll carry on with that and then I'll come back and show you how I stick all this on and put it all together. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I'm just going to show you, I've filled in, that's as much as I want to do on that side. Now before I carry on with the flowers on this side, I want to stick the bits on that I need sticking on. I've lost one of the words, but I'm going to use pin flare because I just think it'll stick a bit, it's a bit more secure, that's all. I just going to see where I need to stick. So. Okay, so just so that we know where it is and we don't put flowers so that you can't see what it says, I'm just going to just make sure you stick the right bits that are going on. I think that bit might be as well. It seems like all four corners actually, and then the, so I want it just a bit over like this, so you can still see it's a puzzle piece. And then I want the words. Now I've lost one of the words, so it would say, "You are my missing piece." I've lost the "you." So if I just put "my missing piece," and what I'm going to do it so that it comes up off the heart a little bit, like this. So we only need down the bottom. I'm going to put plenty on there. There we go. My missing piece. Like that. I'm going to leave it like that because I don't know what I've done with the "you" and I'm not going to go and cut another one out. I know it's easy, but... And then I'm just going to carry, now I can carry on filling the flowers in where I want them to be. Yeah, I think that's it. So I'm not going to do too much. Not too much more anyway. I'll do a little bit round here and round, just around the edge there, and I think that should be enough. So I'll come back when I'm done. So I've finished putting the amount of flowers I want. I think personally that's enough. I don't want too much, but what I'm going to do, there's that gap in the middle, something has to go. So I've tied just a little bit of this material stuff I had. I've made this bit a little bit longer because it's got to go up further, and I'm just going to use the hot glue gun because I think that'll be a bit easier. Looks like it's running out. And then I have done one of them foam. I've used the foam and just done a flower. So all I'm going to do with that, I do want to scrunch it up a little bit. You can with these foam, can't you? And I'm going to hot glue that over the ribbon. There we go. I like to be plenty, just so that I can squish it in. There we go. And then I just wanted to see if it needed anything else, like maybe a couple of them. Yeah, I think I might put them on actually. I don't know, them or, yeah. Okay. So we're going to just go along the line and put it in there so that it fits nicely, just so that we've got an extra little bit of bling. And then I had some leaves just to add that little bit of extra colour. Now I haven't moulded these or anything, but just want the colour really. So I'm just going to add it on the end, front and back, so that it sticks nicely, and just do it just coming out like that. You're supposed to mould it a little bit, aren't you? But do that one there. There we go. So it just takes up the space in the middle. And then all we're going to do is use the ribbon and make, let me just turn my glue gun off before I forget to do it many a time. So that's just going to be tied around there. And there you have it. See if we can go out a little bit so you can see it a bit clearer. There we go. Fairly simple, little bit different, and you know, I had you are, I still can't find the you, but you could put you are my, or just my missing piece. And there we go, just something different for Valentine's. And like I said, if you cut out a smaller heart that fit a card, then you can do something very similar to match the present. So maybe a smaller flower in the middle of the heart with just still the missing piece, but maybe not as elaborate. And then you've got a matching piece. So I'll put the SVG up on my website to download if any of you want the pattern. So enjoy, and I will see you next week. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.